We hope you enjoy our first episode of Season 2
of Power Rangers Ninja Kids. Make sure to smash that like button.
Thanks for being awesome!
What? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. What? Oh. Whoa.
Oh, Jason, why can't we just relax and enjoy our Hawaii vacation like normal kids?
Relax? Do you really think Rita and the Green Ranger are just relaxing on the beach somewhere? No, they are trying to destroy us.
So what? We just have to train every second of every day?
All right, sis, I'll make you a deal. If you can knock me down, then we'll take the rest of the day off.
Really?
Really? Yeah. Whoa.
I guess we're gonna take the rest of the day off.
Well, if we're gonna do that, let's go boogie boarding.
Okay. This could be so fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Destroy him, Tommy. Come on, destroy him. Show no mercy, Tommy. Faster. Hit him hard. Good. Good. Tommy. Now who's next? You, ugly red pipe. You're next. On your feet. Destroy him, Tommy.
Yes, Empress. Okay, Red Putty, let's see what you got. Hi! What are you waiting for? Come at me. Fine then, stand there. This'll be easy. What the? What? Stop moving. Hold still.
Fight back!
Oh, man, you're quick.
Fight back or I will recycle you. Fight back! How dare you!
Wait. I like the red mark. It could be a formidable opponent for training the others.
Is this compassion I hear from you, Tommy?
Not at all. Let's send it with a squad to attack the Ranger kids. Let them destroy it for you. Plus, it'll be fun to see how well I can defend against their attacks.
Tommy, I do not have time for this. I am just going to destroy it and be done with this nonsense!
What if they don't destroy it?
What are you talking about?
Those kids are so stupid. They might even make friends with it. You can use your powers to see what it sees and hear what it hears.
A spy in their midst could be very beneficial. I could find the location of Zordon's lair and destroy him once and for all. I see much potential in you, Tom.
Well, thank you, Empress Rita.
Shoo! Get out of here! Go!
Mom, Dad, watch this!
Hi, Cam!
Whoa!
Wow.
Did you know they can do that?
I did not know they could do that. Those gymnastics.
I was once the Green Ranger, just like
You were?
you. Yes. I was also a princess.
A princess?
First,
I want to move in slow motion. And if they're weak like a granny. Good one.
my grandmother taught me, and I'm sure she could school you.
You're right.
You're missing the point, guys!
Come on, Zach. Let's just give it a shot. All right, fine.
What are you dorks doing? Kung Fu sloth style? Sloth style, because you're slow.
Actually, it's called Tai Chi. Wanna join?
No, we don't want to join your stupid.
Sure. We'll do it, Skull. Maybe one day we'll get attacked by a
Pack of snails!
Teach them a lesson. Zach, worth it.
Come on, guys. Big one.
Hey, Skull, I'm a Thai cheese sloth. I'm a Thai cheese tortoise.
Stop it!
Oh, do you guys need a little girl to protect you?
You scared of me, Bulk?
Nah, I'm too strong to hit a girl.
You're way too unfocused to hit me anyway.
Greenie? That's awesome! Why can't we just have normal kids in this neighborhood?
Seriously?
Go, go, go! Go, go! Show
Yeah.
us more, Trini.
Yeah, that was so cool.
Oh, these guys are so inconsiderate of our time.
Guess this lesson will have to wait.
Let's kick some putty. Oh, oh! Hiya! Oh! Hiya! Oh! Hiya! Ice! Oh!
Ha!
Come on, Slowpoke! Hiya! Hey, get off the sidewalk, loser! We're driving here.
For minions destroy Tommy and Jason, I will take their power coins and harness their energy and destroy Zordon.
We've got to find a way to break Rita's spell. Guys, I know Rita can be really convincing, but it's not time to unnorm.
Goldar, you clumsy fool!
I don't serve you.
Goldar is very dangerous, Jason. You must save your friends before it's too late.
I need you to trust me.
Earth's fate is in your hands.
No plan, no coins.
Rita's not gonna like it.
What?
Oh, dude, check this out. Oh, what's gonna happen? Hey, what are you doing, little girl?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't think she speaks English.
Hola, bonjour.
Hey, there's Kim and those bullies too. Yeah, this can't be good.
Do you understand what we're saying?
Hello? What we're trying to say is, give us your lunch money.
Yeah, give it to us.
So where is it? Where's your lunch money? Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Let's go, we gotta get out of here. Oh, come on. You freak!
Okay, that was epic, but we gotta change him back.
Right, let's go. Hi there. Kim, it's Jason. You're Your brother! I know you're in there! Please, you have to remember! Snap out of it! I love you, Kim!
Jason, what's going on?
There's no time to explain, but you have to get Zach on the cheek right now.
I like this plan.
Yes!
Stop!
Why'd you stop me? Master Goldar told us to terrorize the whole city.
Yeah, well, Master Goldar told me a secret to tell you.
A secret? Tell me now.
Okay.
Whoa!
Mommy and I will take the putties.
Enough games. Why don't you morph and show me your true power?
All right, Rangers. It's forfeit time!
Mastodon!
Pterodactyl!
Triceratops!
Saber-toothed tiger! Tyrannosaurus!
Yes, show me your skill.
All right, let's do this, Rangers! All right, Bird Brain, take this! Oh, that one had to hurt.
You Rangers, I will destroy you!
Did you defeat any putties?
No.
That's because you are pathetic!
Excuse me, but did you defeat any putties?
That's none of your business.
That's what I thought. Oh, by the way, I hate your putties.
I am beginning to feel the same way.
Time out?
That's all you've got?
Whoa! Jason, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. He's tougher than I thought, but we can take him down.
Take me down. Don't make me laugh. Puny. Ants. You puny Rangers. You are